What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car paint sprayer on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Aflybltol HVLP Spray Gun. The Aflybltol HVLP Spray Gun is a reliable choice for painting projects like cars, furniture, and fences. It is built with strong aluminum alloy and is made to handle various painting tasks with care and precision. This spray gun includes a 1.3 mm nozzle set and comes with 10 disposable 600 ml cups. A paint mixing quick cup and pressure gauge are also part of the kit to assist in easy preparation and accurate paint application. With a tank capacity of 0.6 liter, this spray gun delivers consistent paint flow. It is designed for those looking to get smooth finishes without wasting paint. The spray pattern stays even and clean, helping reduce overspray. Painters can manage fan speed, air pressure, and paint output to match their specific needs. This helps get better results on different surfaces. This spray tool performs well in home settings or in workshops. Whether applying primer or varnish, its structure supports both light and medium viscosity coatings. It handles multiple materials without clogging or dripping, which means users can work longer without interruption. Its strong build and smart design give painters more control during long jobs. From vehicle panels to wooden furniture, this tool brings a fine finish across different surfaces. The spray system improves coverage and limits paint bounce. It can save paint and keep work areas cleaner. This spray gun works well for those looking to get reliable results without making the process complicated. It suits a wide range of painting tasks with ease. The design is simple, but it delivers steady results every time it is used. This makes it a solid choice for anyone needing dependable paint coverage. In our list, the number 2 product name is 3M Performance Spray Gun. The 3M Performance Spray Gun Starter Kit is made for a wide range of professional painting tasks. It is used in areas such as cars, trucks, furniture, cabinetry, commercial vehicles, marine surfaces, industrial machinery, and aerospace projects. This tool supports accurate application and consistent flow, making it suitable for both detailed and large surface painting. The kit includes 1 spray gun, a 3M Paint Preparation System Series 2.0 spray cup, 15 gravity high-volume low-pressure atomizing heads, and an air control valve. With a container capacity of 650 milliliters, it supports efficient coverage with reduced paint waste. The tool has a comfortable grip and smooth trigger control, which makes long hours of work easier. Each spray gun comes with 15 replaceable nozzles in 3 sizes. This setup offers the benefit of using a fresh head without needing a full replacement. These quick-change nozzles maintain steady spray patterns and allow different coating types to be applied with equal ease. The body is made of stainless steel reinforced material that is impact-resistant and long-lasting. It is lighter compared to traditional metal-based tools, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its structure has been designed to offer better handling and comfort while maintaining balance during operation. This spray gun supports multiple finishes such as metallics, clear coats, solid shades, sealers, and primers. Whether painting detailed car panels or large industrial units, it handles various materials and conditions. It works well in controlled workspaces where precision and material use matter. This tool is intended for occupational use where consistent and repeatable results are necessary. Its efficient paint use and flexible setup help improve output in demanding environments without increasing effort. In our list, the number 3 product name is Aeropro Tools R500 LVLP Air Spray Gun. The Aeropro Tools R500 Air Spray Gun is designed for smooth and controlled painting across various surfaces. This tool is suitable for use on cars, furniture, house walls, and varnish or topcoat applications. It comes with 3 different stainless steel nozzles sized 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7 mm, allowing flexible paint flow depending on the surface being covered. With a tank volume of 0.6 liter, it holds enough paint to complete moderate-sized jobs without frequent refilling. The body is made from polyethylene and stainless steel, offering strength and corrosion resistance. The outer coating resists dirt and wear, helping the spray gun remain clean and effective with less maintenance effort. It operates with low volume and low pressure, making it more efficient than many high-volume, low-pressure alternatives. This setup reduces paint waste and helps produce a fine and even mist that leaves a smooth finish with minimal overspray. The spray width can reach up to 280 mm, helping complete wider areas in a shorter time frame. The handle trigger includes 2 control levels. The first option can be used to remove dust before painting starts, while the second level engages full spray mode. This design improves ease of use and supports longer sessions without causing discomfort. The paint gun is able to handle different coating types and works well on both flat and shaped surfaces. It is made to hold up under high working pressure and is easy to clean after use. Each nozzle can be switched based on the type of finish needed, making this a flexible tool for both home and automotive painting tasks. It is built to perform in different conditions where reliability and control are important. In our list, the number 4 product name is Vonforn Paint Sprayer. The Vonforn VF803 paint sprayer is designed for home painting tasks such as furniture, walls, fences, doors, cabinets, and garden chairs. It works using 700-watt power and holds up to 1,200 milliliters of paint, allowing for longer use without frequent refills. The yellow-colored spray gun is made from plastic material, keeping it lightweight for easy handling during various projects. This tool includes 4 nozzles in different sizes to suit a variety of surface types and paint textures. Each nozzle helps manage paint distribution across flat or curved areas. The spray patterns include horizontal, vertical, and circular directions, offering control based on the shape and layout of the item being painted. Before using paint, it can be used to blow dust off the working surface with the included dust joint. This extra step helps improve the final appearance by preparing a clean area. Once the job is done, cleaning becomes easy by connecting it to a faucet using the provided cleaning attachment. This helps remove leftover paint from the tube and inner parts. It includes a control knob that lets users adjust the flow based on how thick or thin the paint needs to be applied. This not only improves precision, but also helps avoid using more material than necessary. Inside the box, it comes with helpful tools such as a viscosity cup, filters, a nozzle cleaning needle, and a brush to support maintenance. The full package is aimed at making the process smoother from beginning to end. Whether covering large panels or working on small details, this spray gun supports various painting goals around the home or workshop. Its setup helps users manage different types of coatings and surfaces with care and simplicity. In our list, the number 5 product name is InoKraft Air Spray Gun. The Inocraft D1 low-volume, low-pressure air spray gun is designed to support painting tasks on surfaces like vehicles, furniture, cabinets, and walls. It is made with a solid aluminum frame and weighs approximately 1.59 kilograms, making it light enough for extended use without added pressure on the hands. The body includes clearly labeled sections to help guide operation and adjustment for better control during projects. The spray gun is packaged with multiple accessories, including pressure regulators, oil and water separators, and several nozzle sizes such as 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, and 1.7 mm. These allow the user to choose the right setting for different coating materials and surface types. The included setup helps people begin painting immediately without needing extra equipment. This model supports low air volume spraying, helping to reduce material waste and improve transfer performance. The fine mist and even flow assist in creating a smooth finish, whether working on a car panel or wooden drawer. The controlled paint delivery also helps cut down on excess mist, which supports cleaner surroundings and lower environmental impact. The exterior is finished with a coating that resists dirt and wear, making maintenance easier. After use, the tool can be cleaned without much effort, helping preserve its function across many uses. The sturdy construction means it can withstand frequent tasks, whether used in a home garage or workshop. From restoring older items to customizing personal projects, the adjustable nozzles and steady flow make this sprayer suitable for many types of coating work. With organized parts and an easy layout, it becomes simpler to learn and operate, especially for those doing home improvements or detailed refinishing on different surfaces.